So we'll do one as an example.
Я сейчас показываю, как один, как делать. Да, чтобы не разбросано. Вот. Болты отдельно, кольцо отдельно.
The person doing this job is probably what's going to be fastest if he just goes along and doesn't worry about picking up the hardware. Someone else, maybe the person working with him, can pick up the hardware and move the parts out of the way.
Давайте так, что надо делать. Вот. Ну вот, вот, все. Ну сколько? Ну, 11, а потом...
You see how this one moves? This one will come apart okay.
Вот это вот...
Here's the important thing is we're replacing this pivot here, but we're not replacing this pivot. Okay? So we'll take this arm off. We need to clean it up because look, the arms are stuck. They're stuck.
We're not replacing.
We're not replacing, we're just going to clean them.
But why are we?
This one the arm moves, but this is stuck.
Вот это вот все, это зажато.
So this one might have to torch. Somebody needs to go and remove these tubes by taking out the bolt.
Кому-то надо будет этот тикен.
Okay, so he's the guy for that. So for now, maybe we'll show people what they need to do as we go, but for now this is the general idea. We do the same thing 48 times.
Одну и ту же операцию нужно будет проверить. Нет, провернул.
Заржавело. Сейчас. Жека, неси на 24 гривны.
We got a couple hours into this project. They're throwing a lot of bodies on it, which is awesome. We got probably 8 guys working on this drill. And in about 2 hours, we've stripped off most of the parts on the rows here. You can see there's very few parts left. We're not changing the seat boots. Of course, all these shafts are stuck. I got one shaft out. Most of these are locked solid, so that's gonna be fun. We gotta torch those off. This was my demo row that started all this fun off when we came came to their farm and showed them what we offer, what we do, how to keep their equipment running better. So they're taking off all the wheels and arms in here. So far so good. We're gonna go have some lunch, some good authentic borscht, hopefully. You ready to eat? Yeah. Lunchtime, my favorite day, my favorite part of the day. Are we hopping in?
Yes.
Okay. So we came in the canteen here. Now we're gonna wash our hands.
Yes.
Here.
And you see, even from the socialist time, you see the lampshade.
Oh yeah, look at that thing.
Yeah.
That would really brighten up the room. So out at the farm we didn't have a house and running water, so we bring water from the house in town.
Tank.
We put it in the tank and that's how we wash. So not too different.
No.
Step through the doors into a tasty. Oh, that looks yummy. Oh, look at that. What kind is this?
Это что за суп? With buckwheat.
Buckwheat.
Buckwheat soup.
Nice. I don't think it'll ever get old. It'll never get old. Russian food. It's perfect. Potatoes, meat, bread.
Так. Хлеб, картошка, такая базовые вещи.
Well, we're done with lunch. Our bellies are full, and now we're gonna go start round 2 of our rebuilding. The afternoon. So it's mid-afternoon of day 1 at the Lutzenkova farm. We're making good progress here. They got pretty much the whole rear rank disassembled. The front rank's almost disassembled. It's a lot of work. We got probably 8 people working on it with a few spectators, managers. They all say they're managers, so they don't do anything. Having a fun time torching off all these arms. These guys are putting the boots on. We're doing stabilizers on all these. Ah, good job. Отлично. These guys just pounded out all these bushings. My battery keeps dying, so I gotta keep this charging in the car and go from there. Alright, get back to work, right? It's the end of day 1. And here we are. We're gonna head home and get some rest. But we started assembling actually, so we have most of it disassembled. Here's the ones we're assembling. We're putting in the main pins. These pivots are done. We just got to assemble the arms. And so I think we've gotten up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rows hung. A lot of other progress elsewhere, but it seems like you can never get far enough. But they did good. And we'll have to hit it hard tomorrow.